Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be talking about the concept of dance. So in the next few days I'll be breaking down the concept of dance and what I've been able to put down. You're going to understand the concept of dance. So I was able to write four major concepts of dance, including dimension of dance, number 1, number 2, major genre and style, number 3, why we dance, get to know why we dance, and number 4, the philosophical view of dance itself. So in the next few days I'll be talking about this particular 4 concepts of dance to help you understand the concept of dance itself. But first, let's understand what is dance itself. So dance is the art of moving the body rhythmically, usually to music, either to express an idea or emotion, to release energy, or simply take delight in the movement itself. It is one of the few universal human language transcending borders and spoken words. So that's that for today. So like I said, in the next few days I'll be breaking down each single concept of dance I've mentioned earlier. That is dimension of dance, major genre and styles, why we dance, and the philosophical view. Please don't miss any of this episode. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post my videos. Thank you.